Out here.
You ready? It'll light up.
Yeah.
Tell me when you're ready.
Okay, I'm ready.
Ready? Wait. Okay, light her up.
Lighten up. Thought it was gonna light up. It's not gonna light up.
Wait for it.
Ha! That is a lot cooler than before.
Wait for it.
I'm still waiting for what?
Look at that!
Okay, let it go before it melts. Let it go.
Wait.
Crap! This thing is red hot!
You're gonna blow yourself up.
You touch that, you get like 30 Third or fourth degree burn.
Run out of fuel.
That's good. I'm impressed. That looks like it got pretty hot.
I know.
Where's that
I
one?
think I'm probably actually getting some thrust